Update the printer firmware for the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 580, 590, and 5100 printer series. HP regularly releases new firmware versions for printer enhancements, app updates, or issue fixes. Update the firmware regularly to get the most out of your printer. Before updating the firmware, make sure that your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, connected via Wi-Fi Direct, or connected via USB cable. On your computer, go to support.hp.com/drivers. Select Printer. In the search field, search for and select your printer model. In the firmware section, locate the firmware update file. Look for the most recent firmware release. If you do not see a firmware option, there are no firmware updates for your printer. If the firmware version available is newer than the existing firmware on your printer, select Download. Once the new firmware downloads, run the file. When the HP Printer Update utility launches, select the printer that you wish to update, and then select the option to proceed. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Caution: do not turn off the printer during a firmware update. This can permanently damage your printer. The printer control panel also indicates that the update is taking place. On the final screen, to complete the update, select OK. Once the firmware update completes, the printer restarts.